Hello children, today we will learn about the acids, bases and salts. Acids and bases are an important part of our life. There is a large number of edible substances which we use in our daily life. Some substances taste sour, some taste bitter, some taste sweet and some taste salty. The sour substances found in nature or prepared artificially are called acids. The chemical nature of acids is called acidic nature. Acids are of two types: natural acids or organic acid, mineral acids or inorganic acid. Naturally occurring acids are called natural acids or organic acids. They generally occur in plants and animals such as citric acid, tartaric acid, oxalic acid, acetic acid, etc. The acids which are prepared from the minerals of the earth is called a mineral acid. For example, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, phosphoric acid, etc. Mineral acids are highly corrosive in nature. They should never be handled with bare hands or tasted. Now, acid rain. Rain containing excess amount of acid is called acid rain. The rain becomes acidic due to air pollutants like carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, which dissolve in water to form carbonic acid, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Now, properties of acids are sour in taste, acids are soluble in water, all acidic solutions conduct electricity, acid turn blue litmus red, and acids are corrosive in nature. Acids are used in manufacturing of chemicals, dyeing, fertilizers, automobiles, batteries, plastics, textiles, paper and leather industries. Bases. Bases are usually the substance which taste bitter and are soapy to touch. Some common bases are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide. Properties of bases. Bases generally have bitter taste. They are soapy or slippery to touch. They turn red litmus blue. They are corrosive in nature. Basic solutions conduct electricity. Bases are used in manufacturing of soaps, paper, rayon, medicines, fertilizers, dyes, ink removers and window cleaner, and neutralization of acidity of soil. Neutral substances. Those substances which are neither acidic nor basic in nature are called neutral substances. Pure water or distilled water, glucose, urea, sugar, salt, cane sugar are some of neutral substances. Now, indicators. Indicators are the substances when react with acid or base show a change in color. Indicators can be of two types: natural and man-made or artificial. Turmeric, litmus, China rose petals, red cabbage juice, etc. are some of the natural indicators. Phenolphthalein, methyl orange, etc. are some of the human-made indicators. Neutralization reaction. When an acid reacts with a base, salt is formed. The reaction between acid and base is called neutralization reaction. Some heat is always produced in a neutralization reaction. Some common neutralization reaction in our everyday life: indigestion. In indigestion, our stomach walls produce gastric juices which contain hydrochloric acid. The gastric juice helps in the digestion of food. When we eat very spicy food or have worries or tension, the stomach wall produces a large number of hydrochloric acid which leads to the acidity of stomach. One has a burning feeling in the stomach and sour taste in the mouth. The condition is commonly called acidity of stomach or indigestion. If not controlled, it can damage the walls of stomach and can cause stomach ulcers. To relieve indigestion, doctors prescribe antacids, tablets or syrup. It contains milk of magnesia called magnesium hydroxide. These hydroxides neutralize excess hydrochloric acid and helps in controlling acidity of stomach. Other examples of neutralization reaction are soil treatment, factory waste, and stings of ants and bees, preserving milk for a short period. I hope this video help you understand the terms. Thank you.